Here Industries welcomes you to our new labour-saving product. There's no other. Innovative, simple, cost-effective. With simplicity in its innovative backing strip and top hat gasket infill design, Here makes building simple, cost-effective and easy to erect. Product overview. The Industries Facade System utilises 4 components. The new Top Hat 120, Top Hat 50, a new backing strip, and foam gasket seal. Panel layout and top hat spacing. Determine the panel layout as per drawings or design engineer's recommendations. Once the panel layout is determined, mark each top hat's centre points on the purlins. Fixing top hats to purlins. Position the top hats at the marked spacings. Fix each top hat to the purlins using the recommended screws, ensuring top hats are vertical. Note the double screw fixing of top hat to purlin. Applying tested foam gasket seal. There are 2 ways to affix the foam gasket seal to the top hat. 1. Vertically in situ. Or 2. Horizontally, attaching the top hat to the purlins afterwards. Whichever method is used, the gasket seal must be positioned centrally in the roll-formed groove. Pre-drill the board. Mark out the hole positions on the board. Drill and countersink the holes as per board manufacturer's recommendations. Fitting the bottom row of board. Position the board against the top hat, allowing a 15mm minimum overlap over the seal. Once the board is in position and level, screw it to the top hat with the approved fixing screws. Note, do not tighten the top row of screws. This will give the backing strip room to be slotted in behind. Vertical joints can be spaced using the backing strip as a spacer, as boards are generally installed with a 10mm gap. Fitting the backing strip. Apply sealer to the backing strip's 9mm edge, or alternatively to the top edge of the board. Slide the backing strip behind the board and push it down so it sits firmly against the board's edge. Joining the backing strip. Measure and cut a piece of backing strip to the required length, ensuring there will be an overlap which extends over the previous top hat. Apply silicone sealer to the edge and to the overlapping section. Slide the backing strip behind the board and existing strip, ensuring a tight seal is formed between the 3 components. Tighten the top row of screws on the board. Installing the next level of boards. Apply silicone sealer to front face of the backing strip before the next level of board is fitted. This provides a seal between the sheet and the backing strip. When fitting the next level of boards, the edge of the sheet can be placed on the purpose-designed and roll-formed edge of the backing strip, which allows for a 10mm horizontal gap. To create an even 10mm vertical gap between boards, simply reverse the backing strip and use it as a spacer when placing each board. Sealing screw heads and joins. Scrape any rough edges off the pre-drilled holes. Use the appropriate 2-pack filler as per the board manufacturer's recommendations. Note that the filler will shrink, which could lead to pinhole leaks. Therefore, a second application of filler is advised. "10mm gaps can be filled using an acrylic sealer, which can be applied directly onto the foam seal. Vertical and horizontal control joints. Both vertical and horizontal facade control joints need to be positioned where a control joint may be placed within the structure, or as per the board manufacturer's recommendations. Pier has utilised a flat 0.75 BMT galvanised steel strip across the 2 top hat faces, of which one edge is riveted to one top hat, allowing the strip to float should expansion and contraction occur. Testing and warranty. The entire pier facade system has been independently tested in accordance with Australian and New Zealand Standards 4284 of 1995, testing of building facades. Testing was carried out using 3 major suppliers of 9mm external compressed fibre cement board, namely James Hardie, CSR and BGC. Pier offers a 15-year warranty on all steel products in accordance with Pier's installation details, as well as following the board manufacturer's recommended installation details. Testimonials of the installation team from Bojack Interior Linings.
I found the new facade system very easy to put the CFC on top of it, and for it to take most of the weight whilst we applied it onto the wall.
To put the system up was a lot quicker. The system went together a lot better than the other systems.
The backing strip that acted as a packer. I didn't have to worry about holding backers onto the next sheet. That was real good.
Put the strips in, get the perfect 10mm gap right around.
To the other systems, it seems a lot stronger. The backing strip's a lot stronger, doesn't seem to push away from the CFC.
It's faster, it goes together quite easy, and I reckon it's one of the best systems I've used at the moment.